South Africa's 2023 Blue Dot Report paints a murky picture of the country's water systems. The report is a comprehensive assessment of 958 water supply systems across the country's municipalities. The latest report reveals crumbling infrastructure, water wastage, and poor quality of drinking water. Sumitra Naidu once again from Johannesburg. Let's take a look.
South Africa's water quality has deteriorated significantly. According to the Blue Dot report, 46% of water is unsafe to drink, posing serious health and environmental risks.
If we look at the communities, especially those that are vulnerable as well as in rural areas, they are the ones that will suffer the most from this. If we look at the case of Hammanskraal that we had this year, unfortunately, where over 30 people passed away due to cholera, that is a very good indication of the magnitude of the issues that we are facing.
Despite being a water-scarce country, water resources and infrastructure have been left to deteriorate.
Over 47% of water is being lost, and in some instances, it's obviously through leaking pipes, bursting pipes, theft and vandalism, which is well above the global standard of 15%. In some instances, the average non-revenue water, such as in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, is over 60%. So that's where we compare in terms of the globe.
The Department of Water and Sanitation says there's a massive shortfall in qualified personnel, while 67% of waste management staff lack training.
We're very concerned about the current trajectory. So the last time we did the Blue Drop and No Drop reports was in 2014. And now we've issued them again in 2023. Over that 10-year period, there's been an alarming deterioration in the performance of drinking water systems, in drinking water quality on average, particularly in the more rural provinces and in the smaller towns, in the metropolitan areas.
Over $1 billion is dispersed annually to 144 municipalities across South Africa. Most of this money, though, is not being used for the intended purpose.
The role of the Water Services Authority is like a local regulator. Its role is to ensure that the citizens in the municipality are provided with water services of a minimum standard. And in terms of the existing law, those roles are supposed to be separated and accounted for separately. But that's not happening in almost all municipalities. And the Water Services Authorities are not playing their role effectively.
New amendments have been proposed to allow the minister to step in as a last resort. In the meantime, millions of people are at risk of drinking water that is unsafe. Sumitra Naidu, CGTN, Johannesburg, South Africa.